Meet Dr. Swetha Appaji Parvara, an exemplary academician and a true mentor at Presidency College, Bengaluru.
So I'm so proud to be a faculty of Presidency College, wherein I've worked for almost an year now, and the growth opportunity over here is really good.
With over 18 years of experience spanning esteemed institutions across India, Dr. Shweta combines a deep understanding of commerce with cut-edging skills in data science and technology.
I got a lot of opportunity for to expose my skill and train the students according to the requirements what industry is expecting as of today.
As Associate Professor and IQAC Coordinator, certified in Python, R, and Tableau, Dr. Swetha seamlessly blends core commerce with analytics, bringing real-world relevance to every lesson and empowering students and professionals alike to harness the power of data.
Self-discipline is a key to success. I always believe in that when one is self-disciplined, he can achieve his goals and requirements, right? So as a student, it becomes very important when a person is self-disciplined, he can grow in his career, professionally well developed, and he can have a good attitude to gel along with the team and to grow in their career. So therefore, I always believe in self-discipline is a key to the success.
But Dr. Shweta's story is much more than numbers and code. She's deeply passionate about tourism and hospitality, believing that learning happens everywhere, from new places to new perspectives inside and outside the classroom. Her research spans finance, business analytics, and tourism, reflected in her numerous publications, conference presentations, and collaborations with leading minds. What sets her apart is her drive to turn theory into impact, bridging academia and industry as a consultant and corporate trainer, from student workshops to programs for top brands like Tata Elxsi. At Presidency College, Dr. Shweta is a mentor who turns challenges into opportunities, nurturing curiosity, confidence, and the drive to make a difference.